Thank you for joining us. In this video, we will look at popular roles in a data science project. I am Priya Telang, a Senior Data Analyst with a diversified professional experience of 10 years in various MNCs. I am passionate about using data to solve problems. I am a Tableau desktop specialist and IIBA-certified Business Data Analyst. So business data analytics is extremely powerful and many organizations are implementing it. So basically there are two types of professionals. Technical, that is data analysts, data scientists and data engineers, and business data analysts on the business side. But remember, there has to be a strong collaboration between them. They cannot exist independently. Now some of the reasons for the popularity of these roles are high average salaries, the ever-increasing demand for skilled workers, fast-paced industry, room for career advancement, challenging day-to-day work, and the data rules apply to almost every industry on the earth. So we will look at all these roles in detail. Let us first look at data analysts. So data analysts, I would say, are problem solvers. So if you have good critical thinking skills and enjoy working with numbers to solve complex problems, you will enjoy a career in data analysis. In simple terms, it is analyzing and visualizing data to derive insights for better decision making. So basically, data analysts collect, clean, prepare, and perform statistical analysis to find insights and represent data in an understandable form for better business decisions. They present insights visually for faster and better understanding. The typical workflow starts with asking the right questions, which will be the basis of the analysis that is conducted later on. Then collecting data from different sources, cleaning it, and preparing it for analysis. Analyzing this clean data to find patterns, derive insights, and present them visually with the help of graphical representations so that decision makers can easily understand them to decide on the next course of strategies. So here are some examples of what a data analyst may work on. Conducting root cause and failure analysis in supply chain analytics, which is diagnostic analysis. Investigation of dipping revenue in a particular quarter, that is diagnostic analysis. Analyze customer behaviors and engagements for service improvement, which is descriptive analysis. So data analysts need basic analytical and visualization skills like Excel, SQL, programming knowledge of Python and R, data warehouse and ETL, statistics, critical thinking, data visualization tools like Tableau or Power BI, and so on. Moving on to data engineers. So data engineers, I would say, are the back-end builders. So they lay the foundation of any data project. They develop end-to-end architectures from facilitating data collection to getting the end product ready. They make good data accessible to everyone. According to IBM, poor data quality costs the US economy up to $3.1 trillion yearly. Wow! This tells us how important the role of data engineers is. So data engineers are specialist programmers who apply their expertise in harvesting data from multiple sources and translating them into meaningfully crafted data sets, connecting them to form a well-defined analytical infrastructure for the entire organization. Data engineers have a subset of the skills of software engineers and data scientists. In fact, there can be no data science without data engineering. So they work on collecting data required for the business. They develop scripts for data pre-processing and monitor and track data validity and quality. Then they design, launch, and support new and existing data pipelines, that is to pull data. And once they prepare the model and it is approved, they work on deployment, that is converting the module into a product along with the data scientists. So they build various automation tools and techniques to ease the day-to-day tasks of the data science team. So you have to be up to date with the latest technology advancements. Now, data engineers need more complex skills which are related to architectural and programming tools like data warehouse, ETL, data modeling, advanced programming knowledge like Python, R, C++, Java or Scala, SQL, NoSQL and database knowledge, data governance and data security. They should know different platforms like Hadoop, AWS, Google Cloud, different operating systems, basic understanding of machine learning and AI concepts, and most importantly, ability to troubleshoot. Now let us look at data scientists. So I would say data scientists are curious researchers. Now the term data scientist is being used loosely, and in fact there is no universal definition of a data scientist or what they do. It depends on the organization. So basically, data scientists are the core person of the organization, and they have a unique blend of skills that can help unlock insights of the data and present it to the stakeholders. So they are specialists who apply their expertise in statistics and building machine learning models to solve complex business problems. They tackle open-ended questions and train mathematical models using structured and unstructured data to identify patterns and derive accurate predictions. They also have exceptional industry-specific knowledge. Data scientists collaborate with business users to understand the business problem to tackle. They ensure that appropriate data is sourced to solve the problem, it is cleaned and is of good quality for the analysis. Then they build models using machine learning algorithms, AI, neural networks, and so on. They evaluate the model, and once it is up to the mark, they visualize and present the insights derived to the stakeholders. And finally, with the help of data engineers, deploy the model into the organizational system. Here are some examples of what a data scientist may work on. Predicting customer churn and behavior. Predict fraud and use those outcomes to find optimal credit risk models to prevent it. Predicting lung cancer diagnosis in patients. Understanding what will happen to the total sales if the marketing spend increases by 5%. Data scientists need mathematical and statistical skills along with programming, like data wrangling, data mining, SQL, NoSQL, database knowledge, machine learning, AI, deep learning, proficiency in programming languages, big data techniques, and data visualization tools. Now we looked at the 3 technical roles. Let us move to the business side and understand the role of a business data analyst. So business data analysts, I would say, are problem solvers, coordinating between the business and the technical teams. They ensure that the analytics initiative is successful and provide tangible outputs to promote business growth. Business data analysts are business analysts with a solid business background and use specific competencies and techniques to explore and visualize business data continuously. This provides valuable insights which improve business decisions. They define and formulate research questions based on business needs and also manage all stakeholder communications. They plan the business data analytics approach. They plan the data collection, validate data, and perform exploratory data analysis along with the data scientist. Finally, they work closely with data scientists to combine domain knowledge with technical knowledge, answering the question, is the result derived by the data scientist answering the business questions? Finally, they communicate the data analytics insights to stakeholders using data visualization and data storytelling. And once decisions are made, they work on implementing them in the organization. Lastly, they also work on the business data analytics approach at the organization level. So, business data analysts have the right set of skills to connect business goals to the technical analytics done by the analytical team. Thus, they play a vital role in eliminating many of the above barriers by building a bridge. I hope you got a detailed understanding of the different popular roles in a data science project. If you also want to successfully work in this dynamic role of a business data analyst, check out our website for the training program aligned with IIBA's certification in Business Data Analytics (CBDA). Kickstart your business data analytics journey with IIBA and Techcanvass. Thank you so much.